Do you know many people are having trouble with accessing all tones on the Alesis Melody 61 MKII keyboard? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Enter tone mode. Press the tone button to enter tone selection mode. Step 2. Enter code. Use the number buttons to enter the 3-digit code for the desired tone. Step 3. Enter high tones. For tones higher than 99, enter the 3-digit number correctly, starting with 1. Step 4. Enter low tones. For lower tones, enter the number in 3-digit format, like 15 for tone 15. Step 5. Adjust steps. Use the plus and buttons to increment or decrement the tone selection step by step. Step 6. Activate tone. Press tone button again or start playing to activate the selected tone. After these steps, you should be able to access and select any tone on your Alesis Melody 61 MKII keyboard. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Alesis users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.